everybody, I'm Glenn.
And I'm Zachary.
And together we are Fun King 3D, and today we are going to bring to you Printed Solid's first ever subscription box. And we're going to tell you all about it right after this. All right, Zach, so do you know who Printed Solid is?
Dave?
That's right, Dave. So we were blessed to get to tour Printed Solid during IRF of 2019, because as you guys know, there was no IRF 2020. But we actually got to go over there and tour the facility, and at that time get to see the new filament extruder line, which was pretty amazing. And then Dave took us on a full tour and showed us like where all of the laser cutting happens and the vacuum forming happens of the heat enclosures. So that was pretty cool. So when Dave announced this subscription box coming, I wanted to get in on it right away. It was limited, and as of the time of this video, I don't believe there's any slots available to order this, but there is a link in the description, and you can go down and click on it, and it's not an affiliate link. It's just going to take you over to Printed Solid, and just like anything else, it'll be tagged as out of stock, and you can sign up for email notification for when they expand the numbers, or maybe somebody drops out, you can get their slot, whatever. So if you like what you see here, you can go get scheduled to get one. Now, I'll tell you what's inside this box before I open it, except for I don't really know. I do know that it's 2 rolls of Jessie PLA filament, which was part of the deal. It was part of the whole allure, but you don't know what colors you get. So it's just kind of a good way to add some colors to your collection. And I'm a sucker for mystery boxes. You know, we love the maker box, and we do the maker box every month. And at the point that it was, hey, we're going to ship you 2 rolls of filament, but we're not going to tell you what color they are, that puts a little bit of a mystery to it, and I like that. I like that. Now, I don't know if there's any candy in this box. So if there's not, then you have to give Dave the sad eyes, like the puppy dog eyes. Like, all right, let's see what we got. All right, so thank you for ordering from Printed Solid. Just make sure that my address doesn't appear anywhere on that. And there are never a box from Printed Solid without candy in it. All right, so there are 2 full 1 kilo rolls. Nice packaging, Dave. And some stickers, because we don't have enough Printed Solid stickers. It's good. I'll collect them up until the next Maker Faire and give them away at Maker Faire. All right, so two, and of course a yellow. Got to have a yellow and a white. Fantastic. So now there is I don't know if that sponge in there is part of just packaging or if it has to do with moisture consumption, but yeah, this is just design white, and I say just, it's Jessie PLA Design White, and this is mixtape, Jessie PLA mixtape. Now, color is never going to be good coming across a camera and on a screen, because your screen could be adjusted to where this looks purple. I don't know what you got going on. So, but my reference is always my PETG, my Fun King 3D PETG, and this is a little bit of a darker yellow. How would you rate that yellow? It's almost like a black yellow.
Dark.
It is very dark.
That's Fun King-ish.
Well, no, it's a little too dark for Fun King, but
yeah, like black and yellow.
Oh, it's like our 2 colors combined. So what I always find with yellows is that they're usually too bright, too pale, or too orangey, and which is why this color to me was so critical. But I really like this. It is definitely a darker yellow. And it'll be really interesting to see how that prints out. And then as far as the white goes, looks like a nice crisp white, which is always important. So that's pretty awesome. So again, that is 2 full rolls of PLA. What were you gonna say? I'm sorry.
It kind of looks like gray to me.
Does it have a little gray to it? Well, see, everybody perceives color different. Plus, we're looking at it through this plastic bag. So,
Plastic.
oh, plastic. This is all plastic. The filament's plastic.
Plastic bags.
There you go. So, again, you get 2 full kilo rolls of Jessie PLA sent to your house automatically once a month for less than you would pay for 2 rolls of Jessie PLA. The only catch is you don't get to pick the colors. You have to take whatever it is that they send to you. And again, in my case, that's not terrible because as I went through my inventory, I have a lot of yellow PLAs, which is why it makes me laugh that there's a roll of yellow in here. People like to give me yellow PLA or yellow filament as a whole because it's Fun King. But sometimes I need other colors. So this is just going to be a really good way to grow my collection and to expand my options. So, and if any of you guys have been tuning in to our Sunday live streams, I've been building my rep box, so I'll have some place to put this amazing filament. So it's going to be really exciting. Can't wait to run it through the printer. Again, if you're interested in getting either the subscription box or just Jessie PLA, you won't be disappointed. If you haven't tried it, try it. You won't be disappointed. It's a really great filament. There is a link in the description below, and again, not an affiliate link. I support Dave at Printed Solid because they're a good company. Pocketing the candy, woo! That's one of my favorites too. So check them out. Definitely hit them up for all your 3D printing needs. This box was paid for by me. This is a opinion solely of my own. It is not influenced in any specific way. Got to cover all that legalese. So check out Printed Solid. I think you'll be more than pleased. Their shipping time is super, super fast. In fact, I think it beats Amazon. Their prices are fantastic. Their selection is great. And they're just good people over there. So definitely check them out. Check out some Jessie PLA. Thanks for tuning in. And until next time, as always,
Print on.
Print on!